Suna, what is this? El Pro International. Let's check. What is it into? Surge arresters, construction development, real estate properties, third parties, windmill operations. Acha. Okay. Growth. कुछ है ही नहीं. Good. Right. Okay. Yeah, Sachin, tell me.
Hey, are you okay with company coming out of loss from last 2 years? I mean, last 2 years it's profit. There is a company called Jay Balaji Industries.
Jay Balaji, yeah, I've heard about that,
Industries.
I think.
Yeah, the
Okay,
last
so
quarter.
let's do one thing. Let's reduce our filters for now. Mm, let's increase our this one.
So then have you looked into Iris?
So YOY was almost 9 times.
Yeah, one second. Let's make a new filter. YOY quarterly sales, okay, 50, and quarterly sales more than 10. QQ sales. Now what we get? 356 companies are there. Let's see this one. Nexus Surgical. ये क्या है? अभी नहीं सुना. Let's have a look. Nothing. Okay, fine. Wait a second. I have to put one market capitalization also. Otherwise, all crap companies will come. Market capitalization more than 200. Okay, 150. Core Digital, Vari Renewable, Lloyd, Phantom Digital. Phantom Digital is interesting. I think
I'm
last
still
session we
seeing the
all.
old screen.
Yeah, wait. I will share your screen. So, Phantom Digital gave good results. Okay. So, Phantom Digital gave good results. We discussed this in the last class. Okay. So here the company says that they will do 140. Okay. 140 revenue and PAT margins of around 30. Okay, PAT margins of 30. So PAT margin means your net profit. Okay. So if you look at the quarter on quarter YOY results, this is has jumped from 4 to 7.8. So big jump. Plus quarter on quarter also, if you look at good increase in sales, then net profit also has increased substantially. So if you calculate the new FE, okay, new EPS will come. How much it will be? They are saying that they can do 140 crore revenue and with 30% net profit margins. Okay, 30% net profit margins. So that will be
52 crores.
an EPS of
42 crores.
42 crores. Yeah, correct. So that will be an EPS of how much?
Around 42.
EPS.
Yes. What okay, here no 7.8.
Huh?
42. Around 30 maybe.
Oh, wait. Ah, yeah, around 30. Correct. It will come somewhere around 31. Okay, so 31 into 20 and 31 into 25. So that will be like 570 to 750. Okay, so your fair value comes from 550, 570 to around 770. So this is looking undervalued currently after looking at the current quarterly results. This is undervalued. So looks like somewhere around 20-30% upside is possible, very easily possible in next maybe few months. Okay, so yeah, 20-30% upside is possible here in Phantom. Okay, any other company?
One of Phantom's competitors is a company called UFO Movies.
UFO movies.
Yeah.
UFO movies. Yeah, they gave good results. Hmm?
Looks okay.
Looks okay. Let's see. Let's see. Growth nahi hai. There is no growth. See.
So after the COVID lockdown, things have started to pick up. That's what it looks like.
Yeah, but
The
last
movies
10
and
years
all.
there is no growth.
Okay, that way. Thanks.
Yeah, last December. Okay, but nothing much. Small growth. Margins have improved, but it's not a. I don't think, unless you have clear cut this thing, unless you have clear cut future knowledge about this company, just by looking at past, you cannot invest in this. Okay. Yeah. Ask.
Hey, how about Core Digital? I think we had mentioned that in group as well.
Yeah, we have
4 times
already analyzed. We
YOY.
have already, yeah, we have already analyzed that one in the group itself.
Sudeep,
Yeah, what we are trying. Yeah, yeah, what we are
IRS,
trying. Which one?
IRS business,
Iris.
IRIS.
RIS Business Services. Not sure. Let's see. So this one, there is no growth. Oh, no growth. No growth.
Sir,
See
Techno
the
Electricals.
Techno Electric Engineering. This one.
Yes, yes.
What is this?
Order book is huge.
Up, down, up, down, up. Looks like cyclical. Yeah, must be cyclical.
Would you consider an infrastructure company?
No,
Okay.
no.
I know we talked about industry. That's why I didn't
What
ask.
we
Tell the name.
what we want is first of all, what we are trying here to do is to look at the quarterly results YOY and see whether any company has given good results YOY and
Yeah.
try to find if anything is undervalued. Is the thing. Okay, so just we are looking at the past results and finding. We are not looking at the future. This thing. Infrastructure companies are all this thing cyclical in nature. So if we look at
I
past,
used
then
sorry, I use the
look.
same filter criteria you use, so which is quarterly say year over year greater than 50 and quarterly over quarter greater than 10, market capitalization greater than 200 and price to earning less than 30. So using those four criteria, I came up with this infrastructure company. It's called ITD Cementation.
Ah, again, these are cyclical.
Okay.
Okay, ITD
Sudeep,
cement.
could you please check JTL Industries?
Here you have no JTL. We already did this one before
Oh,
in the group we have done. It is there in the knowledge bank.
okay.
Okay, that's right. So PNG's Gargi already gone up a lot. I've had more capital. JTL we have done. Network people, DRC systems. Let's check this one. DRC system. I think we have done this. DRC this system. Okay. Anyway, growth is there for last few this thing. I think they got some projects also. I guess. revenue growth is there. If you look at YOY, see, revenue growth is there. Then profit 4.495. Okay, 5. 3.8. Not much. TTM 0.66 EPS. Must be defense or something. Okay. Yeah, they just ask.
Ethos, ETHOS,
Ethos.
luxury
Watchmaker.
watch brand. Luxury watch brand.
Yeah.
Good profit growth and shareholding is also increasing for investors, foreign investors.
Okay, so consolidated. Let's check. 444, 458, 3 down, then up, up, up. Okay. 320, 32.6. So again, is it cyclical? I mean seasonal? Yeah, December quarter is always little bit stronger than other quarters. So let's take TTM. TTM is 32.6.
Margins are also improving.
Our margins improving.
Year on year, it is improving.
Okay.
Quarter on quarter also.
Okay. So margins also improved. Okay. Okay. So probable re-rating. So let's give it like 20% growth, then it will come to 40 EPS for future. What is the past EPS? So it's like very flat. So it's like 40,
35 to 40, I guess.
maybe around 40, 40, 50 maybe. Margins are improving now, 40 to 50 possible.
Yes, yes, yes.
Luxury brand, na? So 40 to 50. 40 to 50 if you give, so 40 comes 2000 and 50 comes 50 into 50, 2500. So 2000, 2500 should be the fair value. It's already overvalued.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Anything else? Yeah, Keval, ask.
Sir, one company is Swadeshi Polytex.
We already discussed that.
Sir, why it is getting 95% margin, sir? My question is,
Which one?
sir,
Which one? This
Swadeshi.
one? Swadeshi Politics.
Yes, sir.
They are into leasing, no? That's why.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir,
Can you?
DCX system.
Yeah, we already discussed.
Sir, I have a question.
DRC, no?
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
Sir, you said that if the quarterly results are growing, then we should multiply it by 4. So we have to check the quarterly result of last 2-3 years or the current year only.
Last 4-5 quarters. If it is growing continuously, then you can take it to 4.
Okay, okay.
Let's check this one.
Sir,
Wealth.
one more.
Yeah, once again. Let's check this one. Wealth first. So this is an asset management company. So okay, what happened to this one? Here tak it has grown. Then must be a demerger or something. Looks like a demerger or something, no?
Yeah, margins are improved drastically after that.
Margins are improved, so this must be a demerger or something like that. They have done some demerger. We look from here 2020. In 2020, they improving profits, improving. What is a quarter? So quarter, it's like 179. So it is going to improve only, I guess. So 9.49 into 4. So you will get around 38. 38. Let's give it a growth of, let's say, 30%. They have not given any this thing, so let's give it some 30% growth. Wealth management will grow. So 30%. So how much? 38 plus 30%.
49.4.
So let's take 50. Let's take 50. 50 average is somewhere around 20. So let's give it 15 to 20. How much do you get?
1,000.
1000. Around 1000. Current price is 477. So you have an uncut gem here.
First.
Click on. Upside possible 100%. Yeah. So आज का काम ठीक है. We got one uncut gem here. Possible upside 100%. Okay. Let's check it again. Okay, so just find out what happened here anyway. Okay, from 2019. I think this must be a demerger case. Okay, so after 2019, so I think this would have demerged at 2019 and two new businesses would have formed. That is what my guess is. Standalone, this thing both are same only, so no problem. 10, 25, 33, then 2019, 29, and 45. And yeah, asset management company, they have high margin because the revenue which is they are getting is asset management this thing only. Then they have to pay some salaries, so that the margin is high. So there was a drop here. I think they are mostly doing small cap and micro cap. That is why they drop here, because 2022 to 2023 almost all small cap and micro cap companies fell down, so their asset management also must have came down by 20-30%. That's why here there is a drop. You understood? This is the AUM dropping, so they are deriving their profits from the AUM. Okay, so this is interesting. So currently 28. So if the market goes like this, then you will see the same performance or maybe improving also. Okay. So yeah, anyway, it will touch. Asset management companies are going. Wealth First is becoming a good name. So possibly, yeah, around 40 is possible. So this will be very undervalued, like Anand Rathi. So this can become a multi-bagger easily.
Actually, there's one more wealth management firm, Shardul Securities.
Which one?
Shardul Securities.
Shardul Securities.
So it is also showing very good margin expansion and
But this is into broking, no?
yeah, broking and investment activities.
Sir, what will be the PE of these kind of companies?
15 to 20. If it is
So
broking, then
there's
10
one
to
company.
15. 10 to 15
No,
is for
sir.
broking.
For Wealth First portfolio managers,
Wealth
what is the
management, they
PE?
get 15 to 20. So Wealth First will get 15 to 20 because they are into wealth management. Okay. Yeah. Yeah,
So
Nishvika, you were asking?
Steel City Securities.
What?
Steel City Securities. It's a wealth
Okay.
management company, like broker
Okay,
company.
fine. I know. So look, Wealth First, which I have taken it because it's becoming a good name nowadays. Wealth First, people know about it. That's why I've taken. Okay. Yeah. Oh, many people have raised their hands. Yeah, Nishvika, you are asking?
Not sir, not asking. I was just recommending one company which is called Zaggle. Have we discussed about it?
Zaggle Payment, no? That is a payment company.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, Munawar, you were asking?
Sir, I've already asked.
You already asked, fine. Nitin?
Yes, sir. So I was checking yesterday, Adani Power, the numbers seemed good, but I'm not sure about that. If you can
That is
detail
a
that.
cyclical company. Leave it.
Okay, it's a cycle.
Yeah. Currently, we are looking at companies which are given good results, but let's avoid cyclicals.
Sir, Ganesha Housing.
Again, it's real estate. Avoid. Let's avoid cyclicals.
What did you conclude about Shardul
Sir,
Securities?
Ganesha Ecosphere.
We look at that. Wait. So Wealth First, KPI, Mino, Dunseri, Ganesha Housing, IFL, Mangalam Seeds. Let's avoid all these things about cyclicals. Then Indotech, we already discussed. Uma Exports. Uma Exports. Uma Exports. Let's check. Uma Exports. Okay. 329, 809, 742, 729. Growth is good, but margins are very meek. That means they are into a trading company. We don't want trading companies also. Okay, what else? Alpha Logic Tech. Very high P. Sigachi, Vertos, ITD Simulation, Krishiwal Foods. Okay. Let's check this one. I have not heard about this one. 26, 49, 43, 28, 51, 70. Growth is fine. Except for the COVID period, growth is looking fine. Okay. What else? Net profit growth 0.6. Oh, still here, nothing. Then it became up. Okay. What about quarterly? December quarter not come. Why? Must be an SME then. Half yearly results. Okay, fine. Okay. September to September is looking fine. So this is half yearly. So full year it will be 5 EPS. Okay, 5. Oh, too much. Manufacturing of cashews. No, we don't want. Let's see what else. Sigachi, we don't want. Ideation curve, what we saw. Oshia, Hyper, Zen, we have discussed. RB, we have discussed. Aspire Hospital. Oh my god, huge B. Leave it. Growing venture. Growington Venture. 209p. Arihant Capital, UKMC, Sika Interplan, Clan Pharma, we discussed Idea Forge. Ratnavir Position. Ratnavir Position we have discussed in the group. QMS Medicals. Yeah, I think they. Anyone know about this company? 0, 52, 73, 122, 146, 104, 121. Okay. Last quarter. Nothing special. Revenue growth is good. Margin drop. Total 5.06. Distributor of medical devices. So have a look at this company. This thing can go up, but we need to get any guidance or something. Growth looks okay. Looks good also. I think this was a medical COVID kind of growth. After that, I think growth is back. It's 35. See. So if you multiply last quarter into 4, that will come somewhere around 5, more than 5, 5.5. So in that case, if you give it like 20% growth also, then maybe can touch 7 also in the future. So at 7 looks just 20 PE. Medical devices, they do get 30 and all. So maybe we can dig more after this thing in the Telegram group. QMS Medicals. Remind me of this one. We look it. Okay, what else? Delton, yeah. Delton Cables. Okay, wait. BSC, Pickerley Agro, Raju Engineering, Ceylon, Trent, Naga Dulceri, Almonds Global, Ecotherm, Electrotherm. What is this? Electrotherm India. क्या है ये? Not much of growth, but last quarter growth is good. 200 EPS. Huh? Are you seeing this? 200 EPS. Have a look at this one also, guys. 200 EPS. Okay. Looks interesting. Big. Matlab, right now, tailwinds. 200 EPS. Matlab, the price should be like 4,000. What is the price currently?
Now, what is the operating profit?
ESM2 also right now.
Must be ESM2. I guess this can go to 2000 very easily. Forex possible. Write it down. Okay. Is the trading
Sorry. Can you look at sales just one more time?
sales?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have a look. Sales. Quarterly. The sales have doubled almost. Double the sales. But
So if the operating profit is coming out as 126.
Yeah, it's 10% margins. So they have.
And the EPS is coming at 200.
Yeah. EPS for this particular quarter is 84. So they have less number of shares floating. So
Actually, they are in upper circuit daily, so no stocks are available for buying or.
Okay, so if you can get, then this is a forex.
Yeah, I luckily got 100 shares some days back. Somebody sold, but after that, nothing.
Acha, you got 100 shares.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
I'm already
So you want-
like 60% up. So,
Acha.
but
Sorry, what's the name again?
This is Electrotherm. Electrotherm India. I think this can easily go to 2000, maybe 4000. Even 10x is possible. You are lucky, man. You got. I will try tomorrow.
somebody sold that day and I had placed the order, so I got it.
Acha. Good. Looks good.
There's something similar called Precision also, which is going through a similar thing. Difficult to get it.
Which one?
Precision Electronics Limited.
Precision
Electronics Limited. Yeah, it seems to be hitting upper circuit every day.
Okay. So 1.2. So maybe 4 EPS, 4 or 5 EPS. This will not go like the other one. Okay, not going to go like the other one unless it has got some big order or something. It's not going to go like other one. Other one will go like 5x to 10x.
So other one is already 8x in 1 year.
That does not matter.
Actually, for them, based on current EPS, also they are very undervalued, even if they
Yes,
don't grow.
that
Yeah.
is what I'm telling you. Can easily go 2000 to 4000.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's see what else. So Electrotherm, Star Housing, you don't want
Hi,
Lactose India.
Sudeep.
Yeah.
Yeah, Gretex Corporate. I have searched one.
Which one?
Gretex.
Gretex. Gretex. Okay, Gretex. To Gretex. Okay, this is like 3, 2, 9, 13, 12, 28. Okay, growth is okay, fine. Very thin margins. Margins are very thin. Must be a what are they into?
I think it is Gretex Corporate, not Gretex Industries. Sudeep.
Gretex Corporate Services. Okay. Business of merchant banking. Must be doing IPOs and stuff. So this is like 16. We cannot predict this company's future. That is the issue. IPOs time they will go up, then it will come down. I think they are into those things. Yeah. But yeah, it's decently this thing. It's not undervalued. Okay, what else?
Could you check HG Mart? It's going
Which
up
one?
like crazy. HG Mart.
SG Mart.
Yes.
Yeah, they got some big order. That's why. Expansion plan is there. That's why. Okay, Lactose, Erwin, Smart. Yes, I mean Smart. Legnum, Spintex. We don't want Kitex Garments. So, Protavaro Capital Trade. No. IM Capital. Don't want India Glycol. We don't want Vidya Telelink. This one is good. Let's check this one. Share this tab. So yeah, growth is good. 260, 354, 459, 685. Great growth.
Margins are decreasing, Sudeep.
Margins are 6, 11, 15, 13, 14, 12, 10. Yeah, margins have decreased. Yes, you are correct. Yes, margins have decreased. Okay, fine. Let's check the FE. Let's do the last quarter into 4. Hopefully, it can maintain the same this thing. So, how much do you
232.
get? 232. Okay, 232. Let's give it like, let's say, maybe 10% growth.
255.
255. P is very low. It's like 5p. How much do you get? 5p? Give it 5 to 7.
1275.
Yeah. 7, maybe 10 PE. What about 10? Anyway, it's I think fairly valued and little bit overvalued, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, leave it. Fine. Just, Advanced Holding, Centrum Electronics, Media, Puja Entertainment, Blue Cloud Soft, Systematics.
Yeah, undervalued. चेक
Which
करो
one?
अब 4 आ गए अपने पास सिस्टेमो रॉक्स हाईटेक वेल्थ फर्स्ट और इलेक्ट्रोथर्म इससे अपन को अच्छे खासे प्रॉफिट में तो है ही
Mute. Puja Entertainment, Blue Cloud Soft, Systematics Corporation. Let's check this one. I'm very interested in this thing. IT companies, they have very some kind consistency, so I like it. Let's check this one. 50, 50, 39, 40, 42. No, nothing. No growth. Leave it. Okay, what else? Muffin Green, Lloyd's Enterprises. Lloyd's Enterprises. Let's check.
Sudeep, can you share your screen? I think it got disconnected.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah. Lloyd's. Nah. Looks cyclical. What
Lloyd's
are they
actually,
into?
there
What are
was
they into?
there was a corporate action also in between for Lloyd's in general.
Acha.
Demergers and all
So,
and that. All
yeah,
Lloyd's
okay.
company, I think is there.
Okay, so they are into trading and steel. Must be cyclical. Leave it. SG Finserv already run up. Wellspoon Corp. We don't want. Inventure Grow. Infibeam Avenue, no. Nandam Denim, no.
Sudeep,
Money.
Preeti International.
Preeti, we already discussed, no?
Preetika
JP.
Engineering.
Wait, JP Ventures. No, JP Ventures, no. Leica Labs, National Standard, Vintage Coffee, Modi Rubber. Modi Rubber. What is this into? Rubber tap. Cyclical, I don't want. Okay, Sagel Glass, Saraswati Commercial. Saraswati Commercial. What is this into? Okay, let's check this one. Saraswati Commercial. This is into shares and securities lending. So they will get 10 to 15 PE. 5,000 rupees stock. Huh? Oh, okay. Oh, big numbers. 9, heavy cyclical stock, but can go up to 6,000 to 9,000 also in this bull market. But I guess must be low liquidity. Okay, leave it.
Yeah, what happened with Sagel Glass?
Sagel Glass, not Sagel Glass. I was talking about Saraswati Commercial.
But you skipped Sagel Glass. Is cyclical because of that, or?
Let's check. Share this tab. Sagel Glass. What are these into? Business of valuation glass and glass products. Okay. Standalone like then. 44, 68, 126, 144. This is like up and down, up and down, up and down. No profit.
Yeah, so check Vikram Thermo.
Which one?
Vikram Thermo.
Vikram Thermo.
Yep.
Okay. So 35, 37, 38, 49. It is slow growth. Slow growth, not much growth. 2512 1.69 0.85. Margin must have improved. Yeah, okay. So 7. Do we have any guidelines for this one? Nothing, no guidelines, nothing. Okay. Okay, let's give it. What is the past growth? 10 years compounded sales growth is, let's give it 20% growth. Okay. Since it is not a very cyclical, I guess it will achieve some growth in future. But margin big jump is my concern. Okay, because right now the margins have jumped a lot. I don't know whether it will sustain or not.
Okay. Mhm.
That is the only issue which I'm having about this company. Let's say it sustains. If the margin sustains, then you are looking at around 10 APS.
10
Okay.
APS, yes.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Looking at 10 APS. Let's look at what it's a past PE. So it's got like 10, 13, 13, 10, 13. So it's like 10 to 13. So 100, 130 should be the fair value. And all in the bull markets, it goes to 20. Then it
So,
comes back. Yeah. So it's quite cyclical. I think during the bull market phase, I think they get higher margins, then the margins again come down.
mhm.
Just let's check whether 2016 2017 period also the margins improved or not. If that is the case, then it's like that. Yeah. See. So 2000 here also the margin improved. Here 2016 2017 the margins improved. Then margins came down. Then again margins improved. What are they into actually?
Chemicals.
Yeah.
The good.
I guess so. Yeah,
Yeah.
when chemicals this thing happened, then they get a better margins. My problem is only margins with these companies. Okay, they are not able
Yeah.
to maintain the margin properly, so they will not get a proper re-rating. If they get a proper re-rating, maybe 2025 PE is possible. But since they cannot maintain, maybe the market already knows that this company won for a few quarters, it will give a higher PE, then again, I mean higher margin, then again it will come down. So that is the issue here. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah. Let's check next one.
So the why
L.
does this ICICI Bank and AB Capital, all those companies look undervalued?
Which one?
All this ICICI Bank and AB Capital, all those big firms, they're looking at why do
That
they look
thing is that we are expecting repo rate cuts. Okay. So when repo rate cuts happen, the operating margins will come down. Okay. So maybe market is already pricing in that.
and AB Capital?
Yeah, all the NBFCs and capitals companies. I mean, not AB Capital. AB Capital is into what you call brokerage. They're into brokerage. They do FDs, etc., for the corporates, and they get margins. That is what they were into. They were the main competitors of Bajaj Finance when I was working in Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Capital, sorry. So, Elpro, what is Elpro? Yeah, Elpro. Let's check this one. Elpro. Surge arresters, construction. Oh, we have already looked into this one. Okay, fine.
Ganesha Ecosphere.
Ganesha Ecosphere is a good company. We look that. We look. Wait a second. Brookfield India, Vipul Ltd. Okay. What? Real estate. No. Wait. B2 retail. Riddhi Siddhi GI. Windmills. Acha, I like windmills. What is that? Riddhi Siddhi Gluco Bio is engaged in business of generation of selling power through windmills. Aha. Windmills is good right now. Let's check this one. Okay. So 34 508 808 to growth नहीं है. Okay, leave it. People LTD, CMEC, Sri Balaji. Yeah, you were talking about this one? No, this is Sri Bajrang.
Yeah, I was talking about Jai Balaji. It's
This is
9 times YOY growth.
You see all these companies which are like old names, Bajrang and Balaji and all, they are getting low P, right? Names also matter. 130, 107, 101, 157, 175, 214, 171. Oh, big growth.
Very low margin.
Yeah, low margin. Must be trading company. What are they into? Also ready to eat frozen foods. Huh? Frozen foods. Structural steel at frozen foods. Yeah. Has diversified business interest into media, digital marketing, hydropower, food tech processing. मतलब एक conglomerate है. It's like fully. Let's check something else.
So the one thing is like if they're into so many diverse things, this could be like a red flag, right?
No, it's not a red flag. ITC is into many things. It's not a red flag.
Okay.
All Tata companies.
Tata companies are into. It's not a red flag or something, but we should know where the main income is coming from. You can look at this one, okay? Because it's only 6p. P is only 6p. Just remind me in the group. We'll look later.
Steve, can we look at LT Foods? It's showing good growth.
They're rice makers, man. What is there to look in LT Foods? LT Foods and all, long time.
And this was due to policy change of government. I think that's where it went up.
Yeah, no, the reason is that rice prices went up recently. That's why.
Right.
Okay.
That is why. What else? Raj Television, GVP, oh, big P, GC Ventures, Caspian Corporation. Oh, mute. Sunshine Capital, WS Industries. We have discussed WS Industries in the group. SG Mart. You are talking about this one, no? SG Mart. Shardul Securities. Somebody was talking about Shardul Securities also. Bombay Oxygen. Imami Realty Alpha Geo. What else? Empower India, Lakshmi, Extra Trades. This one also we discussed in the group. Extra Trades. OCL, Zomato, Epsol, Algo Quant Finance. ठीक है. Must be algo trading, huh? Okay.
Could be.
Could be. Could be. Yeah, probably. RS Software.
RS Software is going up. Almost 70% went up.
Yeah, I know. Toyam Sports. What is they are into? Toyam Sports. Sport, fitness, fashions. Nothing. Wintron Info. Nibe. Veranium Cloud. Advanced Tech.
Veranium Cloud keeps coming back.
It will come everywhere. Some people have even bought it also.
Can we look at that Jay Balaji once?
Yeah, sure. So we have analyzed all the companies, 158 companies here. So if you want to ask some company, you can ask. Yeah, sure. Tell me.
Sudeep, what about Mazda?
One second. First, let's look at which one? Jay Balaji. Yeah?
JI.
Jay Balaji Industries. So engaging in manufacturing iron and steel products. So this must be a cyclical company. So you can give 7 to 10 here.
Sudeep, for Preeti International, the fair value comes out to be 270, but it is trading at 175.
180.
Yes,
Currently
so,
180, na?
so
It
fair
is undervalued, but some people are saying that there are governance issues in that company. Okay, so that must be the reason. I don't know. So if it goes to below 170, I'll exit. So here, the thing is that this is a cyclical company, man. We don't know what will happen in the next quarter.
And
Okay.
margins also probably picking out.
Yeah, so during when the commodity prices goes up, these guys goes up, and again comes down. That is how they operate. But in these
could you-
companies, you can't predict. Yeah.
So could you please look Antony Waste Handling?
No, crap company. I'll not look.
Someone said Ganesha Ecosphere, no? You wanted to look at?
So Shakti
Ganesha,
Pumps.
1 second here. Ganesha Ecosphere. I bought this company at 180 once. Then I sold somewhere around 500. Then again bought at 450. Then again sold at 900 something. Yeah. So I know this company pretty well. Okay, so I think they are having some issues, huh? 285, 14. They took a lot of loan. That is the issue. 889, 751. This one does have a good growth. If you look at this standalone, they are into recycling of plastic and making polyethylene, right?
Yeah, the PET bottles, and then now I think they are diversifying into packaging stuff also.
Okay. Yeah. So growth is good except for the last few this thing, but it is fairly valued currently. So don't expect much. It's currently fairly valued. For last 1 year, it has not moved at all. No movement in last 1 year.
Sir, could you check on AVG Logistics? I'm not sure whether you discussed already.
Yeah, we have discussed and I've given fair value also on that.
Okay.
Sir, Tarachand Logistics.
Tarachand. Tarachand. Okay. 46, 52, 81, 51. No, that's good growth. Growth is good. EPS 16 is it's good. Margins are good. Yeah, it's good. So margins are improving, not cyclical, not looking seasonal also. Seasonal, little, no, not seasonal. So December. Okay. So let's take TTM itself because upside downs are there. 8.8. Let's give it 10% growth. So you get 10. Around 10 you will get. What is the pass P? Pass P is 5, 14. क्या है? 13, 20. Oh my god. तो क्या देंगे भाई? 15 देंगे?
10 to 15.
Maybe, yeah, possibly. 10 to 15 looks okay. What kind of logistics are there?
Air logistics, warehousing.
अच्छा, 10-15 दे दो. So little bit overvalued है अभी. Air logistics है क्या? हाँ, this is air logistics. Okay, piling, earthwork, वो सब है इसमें. Okay, what else? Any other companies?
Why Global Education is falling?
Yesterday I shared one company, Sham Metallics and Energy.
Oh, wait. Raise your hands. Yeah. Okay, yeah. First one, Venkatraman Kawad Pigeri. Yeah, help me.
Yeah, Sudeep, yesterday I shared one Sham Metallics and Energy.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, I think guidance is also very good and they have very good expansion plans also. You can just check.
I will look into that. Market Smith also covering that one, no?
Yes.
Yeah, we'll look into that later.
And again, Lloyd Metals also.
Okay. The problem
Why?
with me and metal companies is that they are cyclical in nature. Okay, that is my issue. If commodity prices comes down, then they will be in trouble. That is why I don't buy these kind of companies, and I'll tell people also don't buy, because commodity price goes down, you don't know when will happen, and they will fall like crazy. That is my issue with these companies.
Okay.
Yeah, I like consistent companies. Consistent companies are risk free, no issues. But these kind of companies, metals, etc., what happens is that during bull market they will run. Then after bull market they will fall for 50-60%, and it will take 5-6 years for them to come back. But you invest in IT company, some IT company, no problem. They will go down for 1 year, they will come up in next. They will continuously grow, no issues. Growing companies, no problem. But cyclical companies, big problem, man. Yeah, Vijay, ask.
Valiant Communications.
Which one?
Valiant Communications.
Valiant Communication. Heard about this one before, I guess. 8, 7, 9, 12, 16, 16, 14, 12, 5x. 3, a margin. Very small company, I guess. 6.34. Again, cyclical nature. In future guidance.
Actually,
Looks like
they are working for this one Tata company.
okay, but
Tejas Networks. Tejas
the issue
Networks.
is it's very overvalued, man. Not overvalued.
Okay,
I
okay.
mean, the thing is very high P.
Okay.
Okay, the issue is very high P. I don't like very high P.
Okay.
They will in the bull market end they will crash like anything. I don't like. Yeah, Pavan, ask. Pavan, you raise your hands. Anything to ask? No? Fine. Nishpika, you want to ask something?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you check Vatek, like Bag? This is a water treatment company.
We have discussed this one before, man.
Before, okay.
Vatek. Yeah, we have discussed Vatek. It will be in the group. Vaibhav?
Yeah, can we check this Shrivari Spices?
Never heard this one before. Which one is this? Sri?
Shrivari. SRIVARI.
SRI. SRI?
Yeah. SRIVARI.
VARI.
Yeah, it's
Srivari
Spices and Food.
Spices and Foods. Okay. Manufacturing of marketing of spices and flour, Chakyata. So Chakyata company must be getting maybe 15-20 kind of fee. Let's check. Anybody from Andhra Pradesh here? Any Andhra person?
Hey, sir. Yep.
Yeah. Have you seen this company in Andhra?
No.
No.
No. No. You are in Andhra only, no? They are saying that they have 300 retail outlets, 15,000 outlets in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. You have not seen?
Not at all.
Not at all. Then I'm not buying this one. If you have not seen. See? They're saying 15,000, no? Matlab 15,000 outlets, so it must be complete in all Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, no? It should be?
Yeah,
Right?
but I don't see in my place. I mean, I'm like hearing it for the first time.
Srivari Spices. Maybe
Sir,
they are
there is a
into
high,
some
sir,
brand.
sir,
but-
there is a high growth company known as Annapurna Swadhisht.
we already bought that. Srivari. Srivari. So its name is Srivari only. Brand is Srivari only. So you have not heard about this one. Okay, fine. Let's
Very high
check anyway
PE.
the growth. Let's check the growth. Wait a second. Okay, September. This
It
is
is
SME,
trading at very high PE, 65 plus.
I'm not seeing products in Amazon also.
Acha. Okay, fine. So this is like last quarter results, 30.95, and growth is good. So it's 3.65. So 3.65 is into 2, that is 7. 7 maybe 20p, you will get 140. So it should be right 140 or something. It's a little bit too much. Annapurna Swadist is only getting 20p. Why should this one get more? Okay. What else? Any other company?
Yes, Sudeep, can you check Mistan Food Limited?
We already done that.
Is
They
it
have
good?
some- No, they have some issues, I guess.
Okay.
Hey, I have one.
They
Sudeep.
are,
Yeah, go ahead.
one
It is,
second. There are people who
yeah,
have raised
sure.
hands. Wait. Yeah, Vijay. You asked Vijay? We just asked
Can
now,
I ask
Vijay.
one more? Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Alpha Logic Texas.
We have covered that.
Okay. How it is?
They just look. The issue is those companies that they need continuous government. This thing, they are into this thing, no mapping and all.
Yeah, they are IT people, and they are also going for ethanol.
It's like Sinus.
Okay.
Both same. Sinus and this one almost same only.
Okay.
Yeah, they just
Okay.
ask.
Thanks.
I Sudeep, Kothari Petrochemical.
No, petrochemicals. No, very cyclical. Nitin.
Bharat Wire Ropes.
Already very valued, man. We have covered that before. Yeah, Saket.
Sir, Shakti Pump.
We have covered that. Shakti Pump.
Sir,
We have bought
Solex also.
no?
Solex.
Around 500 we bought that.
And
Yeah,
sir,
Kishore.
Solex Energy.
We have covered that also, Solex. Kishore. Kishore gone. Okay, fine. Anybody else?
Oh,
Yeah,
no.
Sudeep,
Mazda.
One. Wait. Kishore, yeah.
Yeah,
Ask.
Mazda.
Mazda is good, man. Mazda, we have bought around 800 or 900, no?
Okay.
It's
So
good. They are into.
it seems to be some cyclical stock, right? So could you please once again?
It is a cyclical stock. What they are into is that they are into providing machineries for various companies.
Yes.
Okay, so when this capex comes, okay, capital expenditure comes, like 10-15 years, companies change their machines.
Yes.
So last time it was from 2002 to 2008.
Okay.
So again, people are saying that the new capital expenditure vagara is coming. So that time Mazda gets benefit. It's a long, cycle.
Okay.
So yeah, looking fine. Quarter on quarter results are also looking good. So we bought somewhere around 800 Mazda.
Yeah, so since you are telling like cyclical stock needs to be avoided, right? So
No, it is a long cycle. It's not like metal type of cycle. Okay.
Okay.
So it's like, see, quarter on quarter results are good. So their cycle have just begun only. It's not like metal stocks suddenly it will fall. It's not like that.
Okay. So is it right time to buy because it has fallen?
That I don't know. I bought it somewhere around 800, 850 or something. So I cannot say.
Okay.
But yeah, looking good, looking undervalued. Yes. TTM is 81. Let's give it like 20% growth, and it's like 100.
Yes.
So 100. Let's see what is the PU it gets. So 100, it gets somewhere around 10, 12 P. So don't have that kind of risk issues here. 1,400 is okay. It gets 10 to 12. So if they are getting some big orders or something, then yeah, it can go up. You don't have much lower risk anyway, low side. But current this thing with 20% growth, it looks like fairly valued.
Sure. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Paisalo Digital.
Paisalo Digital. Who asked?
Venkat here.
Venkat. Salo Digital. I think we have covered this one. No, by Salo. Non-deposit. I think this is the online lending, no? Looks like
Yes.
yeah, 3.0. Valuation is very high. 51 and all. No, I don't like. Yeah, Sachin, you ask.
It is an interesting company, no? Mac Power
Which one?
CNC machines.
Mac Power CNC machines.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guidance
You
is
need to have
very strong
guidelines for that.
next.
Yeah, then you calculate, no? Calculate and then post it in the group.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Vijay, you again raised your hands, huh? You
Yeah.
cannot put your hands down.
Lloyd Engineering.
We just covered that.
Okay. I joined lately.
So we have just covered that.
Okay.
We didn't like it. Yeah, Tejas again.
Yeah, hi Sudeep.
Tejas.
RMC switch gears. Its revenue is currently around
You
one.
you can ask Mr. Aarti Joshi about it. He has bought it at 10 rupees or 15 rupees, I guess. He's saying that.
So it is targeting 5,000 crores by
No,
5 years.
I don't have any idea about that company. Okay, you should message Mr. Aarti Joshi about it. He is the main shareholder. Is what he's saying. Oh. Okay, yeah, Kishore.
Sudeep, so these numbers, if we, so let's say this price order we are buying, so how can we check the integrity of the management?
Which one?
How can we check the integrity of the management?
You did not attend our fraud class?
Yeah, so yeah, last day,
Yeah.
like, yeah, so
Then
those things only?
yeah, see.
Okay, yeah, thanks.
Yes, Sai Rahul.
So Gensol Engineering.
Which one?
Gensol.
Gensol. Gensol. Who doesn't know about Gensol, man?
Currently, it seems like fairly valued, but in the future, the guidance is they are saying
These guys are into that electric bus thing, no?
Blue Smart is also
EV,
subsidiary.
EV cars and all they are making, and
They are in Solar EPC.
Solar
Plus
EPC.
Blue
Which one
Smart.
is into making? That is Electra. Okay, that is Electra. Gensol is into.
Overvalued. We calculated its fair value. It was around 900 something. 800 to 900. 800.
Okay, we already calculated this, no? Okay, fine.
Blue Smart EV, you might have seen, EV cabs.
Okay. So 800 to 900.
That is subsidiary.
Okay. So 800 to 900, that's why it's falling, no? 1,100 already fallen to 1,000. Let it come to its fair value then.
Okay, sir.
Yep. So that's it. Fine. Anything else?
So one more question. Sir, have you shortlisted those companies which are looking sometime
Which
back?
one?
Because I came after 20 minutes.
Oh. We shortlisted this one's. We have just looked at this thing. What is it? Tools. We have just looked at quarter-on-quarter results and YOY results. So we have given like YOY quarterly sales growth more than 40%, and QOQ sales more than. Always take sales. Okay, sales is a actual growth figure. So we have done this. So we are looking at all these companies.
Okay, sir.
So we got Phantom, then what is the Electrotherm, right?
Electrotherm and Wealth First portfolio.
So we got 3. So possible Phantom is like 30-40% jump. Electrotherm is our 5x to 10x, and Wealth First probably 100% up. So we got 3 companies.
And you also,
Hey,
and you also
Sudeep, there is one more.
EMS.
Sorry,
Which one?
there is one more. The competitor of Phantom, that is Basilic Fly Studio. where
I know
they
we
said
already
they will-
calculated, no? We calculated it's in the knowledge bank. Ah.
Okay.
Yeah, Cable, ask.
Sir, can you calculate fair value of any upcoming IPO?
Upcoming IPO?
Yes,
No,
sir.
it has to come, no? Then only I can calculate. Upcoming IPO, we need to know how much is the this thing, how much they are getting diluted, what is the share post number.
Sir, based on what they
After
provided the financials.
Yeah, that is what I'm telling. You need the number of new shares. If you have new number of shares, then you can calculate. Yeah, Vijay.
Sudeep, can we check Pharma?
Your voice is breaking, man. What did you ask?
Quality Pharma.
We already covered that. Quality Pharma. We did not like it.
Okay.
Yeah, Kishore, go ahead.
Sudeep, do we like? Is there any like other group knowledge bank? Because I am in different group. So
there is one more group which is Knowledge Bank. We delete all the messages continuously, no? So important messages are moved to Knowledge Bank.
okay, so
Just search
how
Knowledge
can
Bank in our group, main group. You search Knowledge Bank, you will get. Yeah, Matthew, ask.
Got it.
Can we look at PAR, drugs and chemicals?
PAR?
Yes, PAR.
PAR drugs. Okay. 15, 19, 33, 49, growth is good. Numbers are good. 11, 2.78. Little bit seasonal, so TTM 11.5. Have you got guidance? They are given some June 2023 guidance.
Yeah, I tried looking into that, but I didn't find it.
Okay, fine. Okay, let's just give it like 30%. Okay, so 30% of 11.56, how much?
You'll get 15.02.
Okay, 15. So much. P is like what is operating margin? 21. Good operating margin. So like must be 15, 20, but depends on what products they are having. This is actually the API company. Okay. So API companies, they usually get like 13 to 15. So calculate 13 to 15. 15 into 13, 15 into 15.
You get like 195 to 225.
Yeah, so currently fairly valued. Okay, fine. Okay, then let's end then. Okay, anybody who has not reviewed this thing, then review in the main group. Okay. Okay, thank you guys. Bye then. We have
Thank you, Sudeep. Thank
covered
you.
all things.
Yeah,
Okay,
thanks, Sudeep.
fine.
Thank you, Sudeep.
Just post that 3 companies which we have talked about, okay, in the group. I'll tweet about the same. Okay then. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, Sudeep.